Good morning everyone and welcome to a brand new day in my life. It's a wonderful sunny day today and I have a bunch of errands to run, so I'm gonna take you with me today. Everywhere I go, show you what a day in my life looks like because I know you guys really enjoy my vlogs every now and then. So I have a bunch of tasks that I need to do today that are all like, there's a lot of them, but they're all very small and not very demanding. I honestly love days like this because I can get a lot done and nothing feels very overwhelming, so that's great. First thing on my list is to head into Central Amsterdam to buy a few things that I need for upcoming videos. I am working really hard on getting ahead like a lot with my videos because I'm going to be leaving on holiday over the summer and I'm gonna be gone for weeks. So I need to have, you know, videos to go up while I'm away. I need to get some supplies for a few of those videos. Robert's coming along with me. I'm wearing my favorite dress again today. I hope it's not too warm because we are currently going through a bit of a heat wave. But today is like one of the cooler days, so it should be good. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Back home, I found pretty much everything I was looking for except for one thing, and I also bumped into these and I couldn't resist buying them because I've been looking for something like this for a long time and these are just perfect. So yeah, got myself some new pants. Anyways, it's time to have some lunch now and then on to the next task. I just finished some phone calls, answered some emails, so now I think I'm gonna head to the grocery store, get the groceries for the weekend. All I need to do really today is edit a video and then I'll be done, and I wanna go to the gym tonight. When I got to the store just now, there was someone lying on the floor and they were being given CPR, and I'm a little bit shaken by that. I have first aid training, but I've never seen this happen in real life. It's not a pleasant sight, let me tell you that. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened. I didn't want to, you know, just stand there and stare. There were plenty of people and professionals around, so there was nothing I could do to help. So I just, you know, went and did my groceries, and when I came back out, there were ambulances. It kind of put me off vlogging for a few hours. It's about time to have dinner, so I'm gonna cook. I'm just gonna make a simple pasta tonight, and yeah, I think I'm gonna head to the gym afterwards, but food first. I forgot to vlog dinner, sorry guys, it's looking like a very strange end to the day. Anyways, it is pretty late. It is a little bit past 9 o'clock, but I really still want to go to the gym, so I'm just gonna head out, go for a little bit. They don't close for like an hour and a half, so yeah, changed into my gym clothes and let's go. home. I'm really tired. It is super late, so I'm just gonna play with the rats for a bit and then head to bed. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content, and brand, of course. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!